Okay, so this is what I traveled in. It's crop top and some tights and my little trench coat with my felines. My shirt look all busted. If you're new, please press the subscribe button. So, y'all, I just landed in Vegas. Just checked into my Caesar's Palace room. It's so beautiful. I love it so much. Really love the whirlpool. Might have to give that a good go. But I think I'm about to change clothes. And well, I don't know. I think I'm about to just unpack for right now, and I may change clothes, I may not. But right now I'm just gonna unpack. I've been traveling all day, y'all. I'm tired. Hey, good morning, guys. It's the next morning and it's so pretty outside. I love this view so much. So I have some coffee going. Gonna make some coffee. Cause your girl needs some coffee, okay? She needs some coffee. Nail cam. Check out the other side. Nail cam. Period. Okay, guys, this is what I'm wearing for the trip. Is Gucci Guilty. Smells so freaking good, y'all. And this is like more like an everyday wear for me. It could be like a date night wear, depending on how heavy you use it. But I love it. It smells so good. It smells so good. But I'm just so sad I don't have no jewelry. We about to go get something to eat downstairs. Some food, but first we need to get some food. I need to get some food in my system because I didn't eat last night and I didn't eat this morning. It's 11:19. Is this my focus? The restaurant was so good. I've been in bed for a few hours, just resting up, and we're gonna go see Eddie Griffin. We got tickets to see Eddie Griffin. He got a comedy show. I'm watching Housewives, by the way. That's the music in the background, because y'all know Real Housewives of New Jersey came on tonight, so I had to tune in with the girl. We about to go see Eddie Griffin at the... I forgot the name of the venue. But yeah, everybody go see Eddie Griffin. And then go get some food. I really want a nice steak. I ate at Hell's Kitchen earlier. It was pretty good. I ate really light though, but it was really good. It was a nice experience. So after the show, I really want a nice steak. So I'll probably look up a nice steakhouse. And maybe go get some hookah, who knows? Maybe go to like a little lounge, have a few drinks, and smoke a little hookah maybe. I've just been in the bed. I'm gonna do a different lip. I think I might do a red lip for tonight. I love this bob so much. It's so cute. It's so different. But I've been having a lot of fun in Vegas. It's been really nice. It's pretty cold. It wasn't that cold today, but the temperature is definitely gonna drop tomorrow. So it's still stuff to do. You know, it's Vegas, so it's still always something to do. Yeah, I'm just in bed resting up, probably finna get up and start getting dressed. My hair and makeup is already done. I'm gonna just change my lips. I think I might do like a red lip or like a red matte lip. So yeah, I'm excited to go see Eddie Griffin. He's pretty funny or whatever. I'm trying to see like what's the last movie I seen him in. Okay guys, really quickly, I just got out of bed, got dressed really quick, changed my lip, as you can see. So we are about to leave because the fragrance for the night is Gucci Guilty. This is the only fragrance I bought for the whole trip, so this is what I'm wearing tonight. Glad to be back at home. Oh my gosh, baby, come here. You trying to give me some kisses? Come here. I'm back at home with my baby. It's my baby. Look at her, she's so spoiled. But yeah guys, I'm back at home. Oh my gosh, we had a layover in freaking Colorado. That was so annoying, but your girl made it home. Yeah, baby got her haircut. She looks so cute. Thanks so much for watching this vlog, this travel vlog. Lit. I have another destination coming up very soon. Okay, I did want to try to ride the gondola boat ride that's at the Venetian Hotel, but I was so freaking tired. Like Vegas like did me in. Okay, and then like we had to like go through delays and stuff like that. It was really annoying, but yeah, I had a really fun trip. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm so glad to be at home with my baby, say hey mommy. All right, bye y'all. See y'all in my next vlog. Bye.